So we're going to solve and factor with leading coefficients of 1. So the factoring rules, one thing we got to remember every single time is always look for the GCF, then look for any special factoring we can do or special products, and then we go on to factoring. The rules for factoring, constant, if the constant has a plus sign, we determined it's going to be the same signs. If the constant is a negative, we determine they're going to be different signs. So constant plus, same signs. Constant minus, different signs. Moving on to the next part, which is the rules. I wrote two factoring, that multiply means two, but I meant two factors that multiplied to equal the back number should combine to give you the middle number. And for this example, it turns into x plus 2, x plus 5, because they also add to give you 7. Next, we had x minus 3 minus 3, but we're going to go on to the solving technique. Whenever you're solving a factoring, you're going to make sure you set it equal to 0. Then, once you've set it equal to 0, that is a special product of x plus 5, x minus 5. You share the 0 with both, making it x minus 5, x equals negative 5, x equals 5. So we have a negative 5 and a 5 solution set. Thank you for listening.